Pero ikaw, you are not important to me. Oo.
Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Yan. Kaya, huwag kang mag-alala. Hindi ako kailanman magdidemanda sa'yo. Oh, tumatawa ka pa eh.
Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Natatawa ka sa akin eh.
No, Mr. Chair, I am expressing my gratitude, Mr. Chair.
Ganun ba? You made a statement against me. Ang sabi mo, ganito, kung abante, paswelduhan ka ng taxpayer, gag... Tinawag mo akong... Tinawag mo akong gag... Ba't mo ginawa sa akin yun? Gusto mo ba akong umiyak ngayon sa'yo? Please, yes.
That is part of my freedom of speech, Mr. Chair.
Oh, is that right?
Yes, Mr.
So
Chair.
your freedom of speech is to tell a person that he is gag... Freedom of speech ba yan?
My freedom of speech, part of my freedom of speech is to react on the action of a public official.
Sarabi mo ha, in another post, ito sarabi mo, isasampal ko ito sa pagmumukha mo. Is that still freedom of speech?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Ganon. If I tell you right now, sasampalin kita, freedom of speech yan.
That's part of your freedom, Mr. Chair.
Pag sinampal kita, hindi na freedom of speech yan.
Of course, sir. It's overt
hindi
action
na.
already.
Ang galing. Mahusay ito. Ang sabi mo, I'm going to be Hindi ko masabi ito, Mr. Chair. F-U-C-K-E-D. Prepared.
Mr. Chair, I cannot intelligently answer if I do not know when the post was posted.
You can post something today and you forget that tomorrow. Am I right?
That is correct, Mr. Chair. That's very likely.
You hated me. Hindi pwede sabihin mo sa akin na you love me. Is that a person that you said that you love me? I love you and because of that, isasampal ko ito sa'yo.
At the very most, I do not like your performance as a member of the 19th Congress. But hate is such a powerful word, Mr. Chair. If you think that you are violated by my exercise of my freedom, you would have your right and court.
Don't worry. I'm not going to charge you. If I charge you in court, matatalo ka eh. Miss Cruz, wala akong karapatang tawagin kitang gago.
And I respect your opinion, Mr. Chair.
Not my opinion. That is my belief.
I respect your belief, Mr. Chair.
Iba yung belief. Marami ring bashing ang binigay ni Ms. Cruz kay Congressman Ace Barbers eh.
Mr. Chair, I would just like to inform the court that there